Hello students, in our today's video, we will now discuss about the Biot-Savart law and how to determine the direction of magnetic field. This is our main task to determine the direction of magnetic field. From the Biot-Savart law, you all know if the dl vector is along the direction of current flow. If a current I is flowing along the direction, in that direction you have to take a length element dl. Then at a distance r, there is a point P at which you have to determine the magnetic field. Then what will be the magnetic field? The magnetic field will be dB equals mu naught upon 4 pi I dl cross r vector by r cube. But always you have to remember that the length element you are taken, the dl, it will be along the direction of current. Here it is written that if current is flowing towards downward, then the direction of dl will be towards downward. If the currents will be flowing in the direction of toward upward, then the length element you have to take towards downward. Now you have to be familiar with two symbols, this and this. This is the direction of upward magnetic field, and this is the direction of into the page, the direction of magnetic field. First of all, how you have to determine the direction of magnetic field? Let us consider a current I is flowing along this length. Okay, then what I have said, you have to take the length element along the direction of current dl. Now what will be the magnetic field from this wire? It is a wire. How to determine? First you have to determine what will be the direction of magnetic field in this point P. First of all, take your finger, this finger, at the direction of magnetic field in this side. Now put your thumb along this. That's why this is the direction of magnetic field. Sorry, this is the direction of current. Put your finger along the direction of current, and where you have to determine the magnetic field, here, there you keep your palm. That is the direction of, you see that it is the direction of current, and where you have to determine the magnetic field P, there is the magnetic field. You see, that is the magnetic field is going into the page. Into the page means here. But if you will oppose the direction of current, that is here, you will, it is the direction of current, here you keep the finger, then the magnetic field will be the direction of upward. That is the, keep your finger at here and keep your palm at here, then the magnetic field direction will be the upward. This is our part 1 lecture.